Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about tools that early humans made and also the discovery of fire and its uses. So first of all, I am reading this portion. Early humans used to draw on the walls of their caves and barks of trees. They drew colorful pictures of animals and hunting scenes. They used to draw their daily activities such as eating and sitting with family on cave walls or stone floors. So, early humans have also have interest in painting. They see their daily works and they paint it on the walls or in the trees or in the stone floors. They also drew the pictures of animals and nature. So they drew their daily life in caves. Okay. So now come to this para tools. Early humans required tools for hunting animals, growing crops, and even for protecting themselves. So they started making them. At that time, an easily available material was stone. So they made stone tools. This period came to be known as the Stone Age. They found that sharp stones were good for digging. Stone axes were used for hunting animals. So the early Stone Age began with the most basic stone implements made by early humans. They hunted with sharp sticks and later they used bows and arrows. Okay, they learned fishing using nets and stone axes, and they also used stones for making jewelry also. They used these tools to cut or to crush and also to access new foods, including meat from large animals. They made hammer, bow, chopper, and various other tools. As you know that the meat, the flesh of the animals is hard, so they used those tools to cut the fleshes from the animals. Okay. Next para is discovery of fire. The early humans first saw fire when lightning struck trees or when forest fire occurred. They were scared of fire. They also realized that it drove away the wild animals. Later, they found that fire could be produced by striking two dry stones together. The discovery of fire was the greatest achievement of the early humans. So it was regarded that discovery of fire is the greatest discovery of early humans. Fire allows us to produce light and heat and also to cook plants and animals. And it keeps us warm. And various work we can do with the help of fire. So it helps us to survive. But early humans was afraid of it because at that time they did not know about the uses of fire. But later they have discovered it that by rubbing two dry stones together it can produce fire. After that they have learned the uses of fire in their daily life. Okay, and this one, the earliest evidence of the use of fire by the early humans comes from a Stone Age site in Israel. Okay, so they've got the evidence that fire was first used in this site. The name of this site is Israel. Okay. Next para is uses of fire. Discovery of fire helped early humans in many ways. They started cooking their food on fire. They kept themselves warm by lighting fire. They drove the wild animals away by keeping a fire burning at the entrance of their caves. So, with the help of fire, early men started cooking their food. As I have told you that the fleshes of the animals was too hard to eat, so they started cooking the fleshes for eating. And they have also discovered that by keeping any fire lighting in front of them, keep them warm. Okay, so early humans also don't have clothes. Now we have various winter clothing, isn't it? But they don't have clothes, so they kept some lightning fire in front of them to keep themselves warm. And also they kept fire burning in the entrance of their caves, so that wild animals couldn't attack them. And to protect them, they keep fire at the entrance of their caves, and also it keep the caves warm. And like this, they have learned the various uses of fire. So I think you have understood this chapter. So just go through this chapter, and I will give the checkpoints and exercises in your school lab. So learn those question answers for your third term exam. Have a good day, student.